Hi guys, welcome to the next section, Ember Components. The first video of this section deals with using components in an application. Components are a major feature of Ember.js. With components, you can encapsulate code and create widgets and custom tags. In addition, you can pass properties to a component, handle events and actions, and wrap content inside of it. Often, it can take the place of your controller. Components align closely to the W3C custom element specification. The W3C specification is still in consideration, although given enough time, it will probably be adopted by the web. Components can be used in applications in a variety of ways. To begin, we'll create a simple component that displays student information. In a new application, we will generate a new component. For that, let's type in ember.g-component student info command. All components must have a dash in their names. This will generate the student info component. This stub will be created in the app/components and app/templates/components folders as well. Next step is to edit the studentinfo.js file in the components folder. Here, we will add a few simple properties using these lines of code. In this component, we added 3 properties, name, grade, and nickname. We'll use these later in our template. After this, we will update the component template in the app templates components folder. For that, we will open the studentinfo.js file. Here, we will add these lines of code. In this template, we are simply displaying information from the component. Let's have it. Finally, let's edit the application.hbs file in the app templates folder. Here, we will add these lines of code. The component is added to the application template by adding the handlebars expression student info to it. This will register an inline handlebars helper automatically and render the contents of the student info HBS file to the application.hbs file. Let's change this example and add the block form. Next, we will edit the studentinfo.hbs file and add yield to it. Below this line of code, we will add the yield. The yield expression will be the placeholder where the outside template will render when the component is in block form. Now, we will update the application.hbs file with the new block form component. The component has a hash in front of the name. This is a signal to the handlebars templating engine that the component will be in block form. The yield helper in the studentinfo.hbs file will display the contents in the block. Let's run Ember server using the ember serve command. Navigate to the web browser and refresh the page. The student's component is displayed here in the application template in block form.